Southwest plane. I mean,
It was 175 seats, sir, and there's 140 people. Holiday travel with that empty plane.
so we had a meeting with the passenger.
It was a very good meeting.
But the problem was that we scheduled the meeting for 5:30. Our flight was at 8.
We left the house at 6:50.
6:55. And we got to the airport about 7:25. Cutting a little close. And
Ended up checking my luggage late. Hopefully it makes the flight.
gave us a little warning saying that we checked late. So hopefully her bag gets on this flight. It said if it doesn't get on this flight, it will get on the next flight. But we don't know when that next flight is. I think it'll get on. I think it'll be fine. Made it, but we don't know if her bag got on the plane because we were a little late. So I'm going ahead to get the rental car while she's waiting for the potential bag, and I will meet her back at the baggage claim with my fancy rental car. When I was reserving the car, it was either this car or an economy car. The economy car was more expensive, so I chose this one. You'll see. It's good. It's good. So I got the car. I'm not going to show you it yet because it's dark. I'm going to pick up Andrea. Her bag came. Look who I found.
You can't really see it, but it's a convertible. But we don't know how to unlock the doors. We know how to drive it, at least.
She tried. Oh, there it is.
It's right there.
It's right there.
You see that? That little thing right there.
That's how you unlock the door.
Unlock the door.
I mean, what else do you do when you're in California and it's late night and you're hungry? Right? Yeah. Oh my God.
How hungry are you? You gotta be honest with yourself here.
Yeah. Getting prepared. Destroyed.
It's cold.
What the hell,
It's supposed to be warm, San Diego.
It said it was gonna be like 60s. Come on, what is this? It's cold.
According to my phone, 52 degrees. Boo! We're in Derek's old bedroom.
Yeah, this is my old bedroom. There's an SNL skit. It's a song. I think it was meant for Thanksgiving, but it applies to Christmas and other holidays as well. Basically, all the SNL women, they go home and they're staying in their old bedroom and they're like queens of the house. Their moms make them all sorts of food and they don't have to do any chores, like their moms do their laundry and everything. It's kind of what it's like here.
No, it's not. It's just a time warp when we come here. But nothing's changed in this house.
Well, no, things have changed. Things have moved.
So nothing has changed.
Anyway, I'm sure other people have gone on flights when they've been sick or shortly after they've been sick, and so their sinuses are all clogged up. It's like really tight and it's really painful. And so for the first like 10 minutes of the flight, I had that, and then all of a sudden, like, that was a horrible snap. That wasn't much better. Whatever. Anyway, and then just like that, I felt the bubble release, and then all of a sudden my left nostril was just like full of mucus. It wasn't like leaking, it was thick. And so I grabbed a little napkin and I started to blow my nose. I blew my nose once, and then I tried to pull it away, and it was like still connected. And then I blew more, and then I had to wake her up to get me more tissue, because like it was just like one long string of mucus. I guess it was going all throughout my sinuses.
So disgusting.
It was orange, like bright orange.
He wakes me up, I look over, and there's like a string, like a jelly of orange goo hanging out of his nose. He's like, tissue. I'm like, what is going on? So I grab the tissue and open it, and like I look over to the table that folds down, and there's this like drink napkin full of orange goo.
Yeah. And so
and it's literally goo.
Yeah,
it's the
super
slime
viscous
that the kids playing with nowadays.
Yeah.
That viscosity.
Yeah.
Disgusting. That was coming out of his nose.
And so I used like 2 or 3 more tissues, emptying my sinuses. I guess it was just all connected, and maybe the pressure from the airplane just kind of like released it. But now, completely clear.
Completely disgusting.
Yeah. Anyway, we have a workout in the morning. It's kind of late. What is it, like? Almost. Yeah, it's 11:30 almost.
Yeah, we've been up since 4:30.
Yeah, it's time for bed.
Let the holidays begin.
Yeah. The week and a half of holidays. Yeah. Oh, that's what you're doing?
Mm-hmm. I was not fist bumping. No. No. Seriously? Really? Fist bumping?
Anyway. Good night.